I'm at the overheat.
Overheat? Why?
I'm at 210 degrees.
You're fine.
You're totally fine. If it hits 235, you're gonna get warm.
Nah.
Already hot.
So put it in a higher gear.
I'm in 6th gear.
Oh man, dude, you guys are getting so old. Dude, Ryan and Hannah were like sitting out in lawn chairs in the garage, bro.
How nice does that sound?
Here, I got it.
That sounds like a good time, huh?
I walked out, I'm like, how old are you guys? Oh my god.
We can just go back to the house real quick.
I also am getting a little hungry.
Cilantro. Yeah.
Cilantro. Is that a V-Rod? I think it is. He has a V-Rod over there. It's so cute. Oh my god.
Oh, this bitch was trying to come get gas. I'm like, there's no way.
Oh my god, I love your Harley. Rawr, sister. I should say it louder so that way he hears it.
They can't see me.
Dude, he's right next to you.
Some people, they say some people pick their nose. I was just born with mine.
All right, Grandpa, relax. No, one day I'm gonna tell my grandkids that joke.
A polar bear,
Yeah,
polar
right,
bear
what
walks into a
grandkids? You
bar
ain't gonna have
and tells
kids.
the bartender, "I'll take a gin and Coke."
Wait, say that one again?
A polar bear walks into the bar and tells the bartender, "I'll take a gin and Coke." Bartender
I don't
goes,
get it.
"What's with?"
I don't get it either.
Oh my god, you dummy!
Just wait.
A polar bear walks into the motherfucking bar and tells the bartender, "I'll take a rum and Coke."
Gin and
The
Coke.
bartender goes, "What's with the pause?" The polar bear says, "I was born with them."
I'm out of here.
Oh my god.
He's a YouTube short. He's a YouTube's Reels guy. Or
Yeah.
shorts.
I'm selling my Cena when I get home, dude.
Oh my. Great heavens.
You gotta say it like that. You can't just be like, oh, great heavens. Oh, great heavens. Oh, that looks like rain.
Definitely not. Looks like a nighttime cloud.
Nighttime clouds.
What
Time
did
clouds.
Dragging
the
in here.
drummer, what did the drummer name his daughters? And a
Neutral.
1 and a 2. Oh my god.
That's funny. Sister, what's up, sister? Sorry, buddy. I'm going the speed limit here.
Sorry. You're right.
They're like a ticket I go like this.
I'll probably tell him to lick my nuts.
It was Mr.
Sir.
Officer Kimmel. Mother trucker pulled me over.
I can't wait to get pulled over by him. I look
That
forward to that
That
day.
was
That's
Nate
not
right there.
Dude, that is definitely some rain clouds, dude.
I don't know.
You want to pull over and check?
Nice. Yeah, here. Let me pull. I'll pull my phone right now. So we can keep
It's
moving.
supposed to rain till like 11, my guys.
Let me double check the radar because that looks pretty fucking dark, dude.
Yeah, let me
Pull into the speedway.
check the radar here. All right, I'm checking the radar here.
Oh, you have your phone?
Yeah, dude. The only fucking rain is all the way in Marblehead.
In what?
In Marblehead. That's Sandusky, Cedar Point.
How quickly is it moving?
It's gonna hit us
She's just checking the weather while riding.
1:45 a.m.
140. That doesn't seem right. Sandusky
Oh,
only.
it's going like west. Oh wait, that's east. It's going east, northeast. It's going like, if that makes sense.
Then why is it covering the sun?
I don't know. The sun is west.
Yeah, but the sun doesn't move that fast. It
I'm
covers.
close to touching the ground. I feel like I'm definitely not.
The sun is further away than the clouds are.
Oh, that felt beautiful.
That's not how it works. I'm saying like the clouds must have moved our way in some way or fashion that were not there before.
Or the sun dropped into the clouds. Ah.
Here, when we stop at the light, let me see the radar.
The sun is
Okay.
definitely setting, for sure.
Well, yeah, I mean, of course, it has to set, but those clouds look like they're coming closer.
Clean my visor. Bugs.
Yep.
Wait, when did it come over here?
Comes over. Hold on. Just let it go. Let it go.
10. What time is it now?
Fucking
7:36.
7:30.
Shit, that's gonna be cutting it close, bro. By the time we get food.
Hey, don't get. Might be a cop up here. So.
Heard. I mean, it looks like it's pulling that way because now it's revealed the sun.
Yeah.
And
That's what I'm saying. It's going like north.
I see it. I see. I was wondering where that rain went because it said yesterday it was supposed to rain, and now it's like that must have what was supposed to be like over here and moved that way. So that's why I said it wasn't gonna rain anymore.
Hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow.
It definitely will rain tomorrow.
I've never, I don't know the last time I've ridden in like the afternoon, like during the week.
I mean, I'm off tomorrow too. I'm just gonna use it to like work out and like hit the gym and stuff. I've been out like 2 weeks from the gym, bro, and I gotta study for my last finals. And then I'm free. Summer. Oh, dude, this dude brake checked me. What the?
The average slowdown speed was higher. Zombie!
I'm allowed out. No ABS. No ABS. No ABS.
Oh my nuts! King Julian's nuts! Asshole! It's not me. It's not me. I
It's
swear.
there.
It's Matt Black. Matt Black.
That thing's gotta be a pain in the ass to clean.
Oh, 100%. I call that burnt clutch. Shark bait, shark bait.
That's me.
Shark bait.
Look at Derek, look at Derek, look at Derek. Brother!
ABS.
Oh wait, we could just take the park.
I don't got it. I don't got it. Whoa, whoa.
We could just take the parks there. Old people, watch out.
I'm ripping. I'm ripping. I'm going hard. My knee is dragging.
He's not even. Oh, there's a bug. There's a.
Behind me, we got clear skies. In front of me, we got no sky. Did you not get any food?
I wanted to sit down and eat.
Look at the
Bro, look at the radar on your phone right now.
The radar's never been right, and you know it.
I bet you $100 it does not rain till at least 10 o'clock. $100.
It's not worth
$100.
It's not worth
I'll sit here right in this spot. $100.
No, I'm not gonna make the bet. Dude, the weather is
Yeah,
unpredictable.
because you're wrong.
The weather is unpredictable. It's Ohio. The weather is unpredictable.
Going that way.
Then why is it here? That's what we said originally.
What are you talking about?
We said it was going that way. We looked at the radar. Looked like it was going that way. All of a sudden, I look up and I see clouds.
I'm not explaining. You can look at the radar and see exactly what it's doing. Bro, mock me, bro.
What?
Go ahead and mock me, bro.
Dude, I'm telling you, the weather. This is April in Ohio, May in Ohio. You know this. It's never right. Get the food, stuff it in your bag.
Why would I do that when I can just go home and eat food? Not to go eat it at home by myself. I can just go home and eat dinner.
So you're gonna go home and eat dinner by yourself?
Yeah. And not pay money for food for no reason.
We paid money. Oh, we don't live it with our parents. I don't have any food at home, so.
That has nothing to do with. I go to the grocery store, buddy.
All right. Keeping the burritos nice and warm. That's a good idea. We can always just throw it in the microwave when we get home.
Maybe not the microwave because of tinfoil, but
Well, you take the tinfoil off, preferably.
I've never done that. I've always put it in the tinfoil.
Are we going right or left?
Roger. We're good after this car. Ooh, they're nice and warm on my back. It's drizzling. Damn, bro.
Holy wind, bro.
It's got cold. It's fucking drizzling. I mean, we're going away from it. This is good. This is good. I can't believe we drove fucking 2 minutes towards it.
But no.
Oh, here we go. Panic. Nope, wrong lane. Or actually, that might work.
We might be able to get in front here.
Yeah. I'm with you. Oh my god, bro, these people.
Oh, other way.
Got it. Yeah, let's go towards it more. I should have given it, PR, I should have given it to you and just let you fucking take off home. I didn't think about that. Crap.
What?
Like giving you the food instead of me.
Oh, me?
No, PR, because he can go faster. I should have given you the food, because you could just split traffic and like go home immediately. Suddenly nighttime. It got so cold too.
You gotta go faster.
I put it in sport mode.
We gotta move it.
Hey, I think we lost the rain. I don't think it's anywhere. I think it's gone.
We beat the weather. Dude, that was so scary for a minute there. I was like, oh my god, it got cold, the wind picked up.
These are coming off the trees. It was that
So
windy.
dark back there. Damn.
Damn, this is my leader bikes. They have a lot more power. Hey, asshole. I'm kidding, no.
I look behind. When I was looking in the car, I'm like, I don't have two headlights like that.
Come on. Get on my way.
Be the left lane.
Left lane.
You just gotta scare him a little bit. Go like this.
Oh my god. That looks like hell over there. I can see the rainfall.
Oh, I know. We made it.
I mean, we still got the long commute once we get off 71. This slow Volkswagen thinks he's so fast. I know he's slow because he's doing the same speeds I am, and I'm slow.
Look at this guy.
That's what I'm saying. That's the Volkswagen, dude. Show him what's up.
Volkswagen. Hannah, go. You're good.
And get crushed by a semi.
Ow!
Whoa, what's going on? Are they good?
Yeah, they're good.
Alright, good. These burritos are going faster than they've ever gone.
A burrito has never hit this. Traffic!
Are you serious? No, we're splitting it. We're splitting 100%. What are the chances?
I say right lane split just because of the cop.
No. I'll do left lane. Safer. I'm not really scared of cops because
Wow, thank you, Mr. Semi. They're really moving over that much for us?
this is lane filtering. This is not lane splitting, so we're good.
Exactly.
Woo, that's scary.
Oh my god. Oh, we gotta get, I told you, right lane. We gotta get over.
Yeah, no, I see it. I'll do it up there. Hold on. I'm gonna slow down though. Right now?
Yeah, I'm already over.
Oh.
Me too.
Okay.
Oh, I see a cop up there too.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh wait, where are you going?
I'm just getting on the highway. Wow, look at me go.
Yeah, we're just getting on the highway. What? This is all this traffic come
Where's
from.
this traffic?
There's this lane open right here.
Just go further. Go further. Oh, pussies. Oh, there's your state troopers up there.
That's fine, dude. What are they gonna pull us over for lane filtering? Okay. Yeah. Good luck. Good luck proving that in court. We're bikes. There's a giant rainstorm coming. This is for our own safety.
We've got precious cargo in the bag.
I'm going in front of this.
I'm not. There's a state trooper on the right up there.
So we're still in a lane. They look preoccupied, buddy. They're not gonna come after it. It looks like some accident. That poor dude is riding into the storm. That sucks.
I don't know. Second's just easier for me. Because then I don't have to quit. Like, when I quit,
There's a car flip, dude.
Hey, turn your camera on. Turn your camera on.
That's crazy. I could have made $100 off of Derek. I didn't want to take his money. How do you look at that and say it's not gonna rain?
Like, bro, that fucking storm was crazy. Like, actually crazy.
Oh, thank God. It's about to change. Oh, thank God.
All the cops were just staring at me. I was like, sucks. It looks a little bit rainy over here.
It looks a bit rainy over there, a little bit over there.
We made it. Just in time.